If you've ever wanted to display a flag without having to permanently install a flagpole, then this is the product for you. This is a really well-made portable flagpole. There's only one thing about it I really didn't like, but in this video, I'm going to show it to you close up, go over the assembly process, the features I do like, and the one that I don't.
The brand sent me this flagpole for me to test out. So I'm going to show you what's in the box. You have visual instructions. It's really well packaged. All of the things are in protective material. I'm excited about this flagpole because I thought the only way I was going to be able to use a flag is if I installed it on my brick pillars, and I just don't have the right tools to do that. So I'm excited that with this ground stakes, I'm going to be able to have a flagpole. It looks like it's going to be pretty simple, but let me take a look at the instructions. They kind of click together. It's actually pretty easy. This slides in here like this, and then you spin it, and it's pretty secure. You don't have to have a lot of wrist strength in order to put this together. And this material looks pretty strong and durable. That was put together really quickly. This comes with all the things that you need to set it together. Even comes with an Allen wrench. You put the Allen wrench in here so that you can tighten where you want to put this portion of it on the pole. And these you hang from the flag itself. So I might need to take my flag out in order to make sure that I have it set on the right portion of the pole. So one thing I don't like about it is that the poles aren't marked for the top and the bottom, so it can be a little confusing. Now this is what you stake in the ground to secure it. And you can see how thick this material is and how long these stakes are. So let's put it in the ground.
The stakes are over 10 inches long, so you may need a rubber mallet or a hammer to really get it into the ground. I used a microfiber to protect the paint from chipping.
It's made out of this really durable material that feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's cheap and gonna easily fall apart or break in the wind. This is the 8-foot flagpole, but it does come in other sizes. I like that I can display a flag almost anywhere I want to, and then when I'm ready, I can simply take it apart, put it back in the box, and it doesn't take up much room to store it. I hope you found this helpful.
Thanks for watching. You can buy this using the links below. And if you thought this review was helpful, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. If you already have this item, leave a comment and let me know what you think about it.